Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Epify. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to delete contact on Telegram. So without getting further delay, let's jump into our video. First of all, open Telegram app. Make sure you have already downloaded Telegram app on your device. So here you will see this kind of interface. Now go to the contact icon that is located on bottom left corner. Here you will see a list of contacts. If you want to delete a particular contact, then simply hold on contact to whom you want to delete and you will get this kind of menu. Now tap on delete contact. So if you are confirmed to delete a contact, then again click on delete contact. So you have successfully deleted contact from Telegram. So that is it for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.